Namaskar children. Now we will see slicing. Slicing the elements in a list. Okay, see now how we will be. Look at the example given. There is a list is given. Big list is given. You see here list with some how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 elements. So 9 elements, and now we are going to give the statement. See the next statement, list of 3 comma minus 3, list of 3 comma minus 3, list of 3 comma minus 3. You can see the statement there. When you give like that, what it is displaying, from the third index, you know how to mention the index. How it will be, the first element will be 0, the first element will be 0, first element will be 0, index of 0, and then it goes on 1, 2, and so on. So 3 comma minus 3 you have given, so it will see how, minus means it will be from the left. Look at the example, the display. It is displaying 20 comma 22 comma 24. So the because you have given 3 comma minus 3. Similarly, you see the next list display, list of 3 comma 30. You don't have the index 30, but how the system is taking, it goes, even you have given the upper limit beyond the size of the list. So Python automatically returns the element from the list falling in the range 3 onwards, but less than 30. Because we have only 9 elements here, then now the upper limit will be 30, but it won't display any error. It's taking the number of elements you have defined in the list. Now let us see how the list slicing with the step value. List slicing with the step value. You see the syntax given here, list of start, stop and step. Can give the step value. So look at the example given there. You can see in that example, this example you can see it is there's a same list. They have taken 0 is to 10 is to 2. Look at, they have given the statement as list of 0 is to 10 is to 2. So what will happen now? 0 is to 10 is to 2. So it will display the result from 0 up to 10, and the difference, different step value is 2. So it will be displaying 10 comma 14 comma 22 comma 30 comma 34 based on the given list. And now when you see the next one, using slices for list modification. You can use even slice for list modification. That is, you can overwrite one or more list element with some other elements. This is what is given under this topic. So look at the example given. In this example, you see the list elements are 1, 2, 3 we have given, and L of 0 is to 2, you are just is equal to 0 comma 1. And now you see how it is displaying. The first two elements 1 and 2 will be replaced by 1 and 2 will be replaced by 0 and 1, 0 comma 1, and then 3 it is displaying. Here it is displaying. And similarly the other example is also given. Please kindly go through this. And now so this is slicing. Using slice we can do even modification. So now let's see some of the list manipulation operations like appending, updating and deleting. How to append a list? We just go with see the command l dot append. You can see l dot append of item. So append of item only you must specify. So then it will go and append the item what you are specifying. Look at this example. Look at this example given. In this example, your list 1 is equal to 10, 12, 14, and then list 1 is equal to append of 16. So that means list 1 dot append. So always it adds the element at the end. So 10, 11, 12, sorry 10, 12, 14 was already there. Now 16 is appended. Now let's see updating elements to a list. So now we appended, now we are going to update. The next is we are going to update the element. See, updating the element of a list. How we are going to update? L index of new value. So L of list of index equal to new value. Update means changing the value which is already existing with the new value. So now look at this example. In this example, we have changed list 1 of 2 is equal to 24. 2 means the element 14. You are going to change into 24. It has changed. Now the next one is deleting the elements of a list. How will you delete? Either you can delete the index by element by giving the list index, or you can give the start value and stop value for deleting the elements. And if you simply give say the last one, when you see, if you give del followed by, if we use del followed by list name only, what it will do is it will delete all the elements of the list and the list object too. So the list object will also go, and we can also use the pop method to remove single element, not list slice. You can use even pop method. It is going to come in the next heading, and these are all some of the the list manipulations. And now see, we are going to make a next heading is making a true copy of a list. So what is this? Your look at the example given. There is a list called color, and there you are specifying the values are red, blue, green, and you are taking B is equal to colors. It won't does not copy the list. So what we are going to, B is equal to list of colors. You must give. So then this to make B true, copy of list colors, you have to give B is equal to list of colors. But I can't directly give B is equal to colors. The next one, when you see list functions. What are all the various list functions? The first one is the index method. So you know what is index method? It gives you the index of the value what you have taken. So here in this index method, when you see, for the given an example, L1 dot list index of something 18. So when they give like that, it is displaying you as 1, because 18 is there in the 18 is the second element, but the index is 1. The next one is append method. Append, what we have to do? See the append method, we have to add an item to the end of the list. It adds an item to the end of the list. So even previously we used it, adding an index value, adding a new value at the index position. But here we are appending using a method to add items at the end. So items at the end, the example is given. See the example is given here. Yeah, the example is given here under the append method. The example is given. You can use the example, and we will see the other methods later. We'll see the other